Hey guys, welcome to question FM087 of the Further Maths Sharpened Study Guide. So this question is getting us to have a bit of a look at a dot plot, just interpreting some stuff given to us in the data here. So the question reads, a group of 24 male friends are surveyed on how many push-ups they can do. The dot plot below displays their response calculated to the nearest 5. So we've got 24 male friends who can do, well, for the majority, between 30 and 55 push-ups, and this guy up here at 75. So question, or part A, says using the information in the dot plot, determine each of the following. So first they want the mode, and then they want the range. Now the mode is just the most occurring value, which we can see here by the height of these dots here is 45. We've got seven of the male friends can complete 45 push-ups, and that's the highest of any of these values. So our mode is, quite simply, let's see if we get this to work. Oh dear. Let me grab another texter. So the mode here is 45. And the range, really easy. We take away the smallest value from the highest value. So we take 30 from 75, 75 minus 30, and that's going to give us an answer of 45. Cool. Part B, a little more challenging, but still quite simple. So part B says that one of the friends, Rick, claims he can complete 75 push-ups. So this guy up here, Rick has been known to tell the occasional fib. Write down an appropriate calculation and use it to explain why Rick's 75 push-ups is an outlier for this group of friends. So of course, in order to determine a bit of data as an outlier, in this case we've got an outlier up the top end of our data, which means that it has to be, this 75 has to be greater than the value of our upper fence. And how we calculate the value of our upper fence is as so. Well, not doing well in markers today. So upper fence is equal to Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR. So we need to find a couple of things here. We need to find out what Q3 is and what our interquartile range is. So we've got 24 values here, which means that our median is going to be between the 12th and, so our median, sorry about the terrible marker here. We've got 24 values, then our median is going to lie between the 12th and the 13th. Which means that we have, on either side of our median here, we're going to have 12 values and 12 values. So to find Q1, we're going to look at the median of our first 12 values, which is going to be between, Q1 is going to be between the 6th and 7th values, so 6th and 7th values. And Q3 is going to be going the other way. The easiest way to do this is going to be going the opposite way, our 6th value from the top and 7th value from the top. So once again, going backwards, our 6th and 7th. So Q3, we can quickly calculate here. So we go 6 values back, so we get our 6 and 7, and then find the average of the two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our 6th value is at 50, and 7 is at 45. So to find Q3, we're going to take 50, oh, this is going 50 plus 45, and then average those out. So our Q3 is a value of 47.5, while Q1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our 6th value is 35, and our 7th value is also 35. So of course, 35 plus 35 divided by 2 is going to be equal to 35. So from this, our interquartile, so we can start filling out our equation here. Q3 is equal to 47.5 plus 1.5 times, and our IQR is going to be within here, 47.5, so Q3 minus Q1, 35. And if we calculate that out using a calculator or using your brain, whatever works better for you, you're going to get an answer of 66.25. So our upper fence occurs at 66.25, so somewhere just around here, which means that, yes, we can see visually that this 75 push-ups is greater than 66.25, which means that it is an outlier, and we can just write that. So we can say something along the lines of, as our final answer, right over here, since, step 1, get the marker to work, since 75 is greater than 66.25, 75 push-ups is an outlier. So that's our working, and here's our final answer. Guys, if you have any questions about anything that went on in this question, please drop them in the comments below, or send us a direct message on our Facebook page, Triumph Tutoring, and someone will be sure to help you.